What is up, you guys? My intro and outro to these vlogs, this is gonna be super glary, I'm gonna have to take these off. My intro and outro to these vlogs are not great. I've really just been like pulling the camera out any chance I get, but we are here in Florida for a little vacay, just for like 5 days. We came with our friends and they have a 7-month-old. Self-tanner is so messed up on my hands and my face is so pale. Yeah, we decided to come down to the Florida house. If you guys are new to the vlogs, or if you don't know, this is my old grandparents' house that is now my parents' house. So we're here spending some time. It is absolutely beautiful this week. And we're just gonna have a little getaway. I think it's technically spring break for some people still, but we came down here kind of last minute. Like, we literally booked it like a couple weeks ago and we're just like, we're gonna go. So very exciting. Just nice to get some sunshine and just to get away and get out of our everyday routine. So really excited. I think we're gonna go to the beach today with the kids. We might only be there for a couple hours just to see how they do. They're both napping right now, and Caden just went down a little bit earlier, which is great because we want to be able to get there sooner than later. Last night we just got settled. We had to like go to the grocery store, we had to go to Target, we had to get some stuff for the kids. We cooked dinner, we just made some burgers and had a salad, and got up this morning and we've just been playing, and Anthony went out to get some donuts and bagels, and we've just been hanging out. So anyways, it's so beautiful. I just love it here. If you guys didn't know, I spent most of my spring breaks and Easters here as a child, when my grandparents lived here. So lots of memories in this house, and I just love it so much. Love being here. I just cleaned up the kids' toys and probably gonna do some dishes. The guys just went on a bike ride. So we're gonna get ready soon. My parents just got a new light fixture too. I have a bunch of pictures of Caden on the fridge. So excited to be here. I just can't wait to spend some time, and it's just always great coming down here. But anyways, we're just gonna chill while the kids are napping, and then when they wake up, we'll get ready to go to the beach. I think that's what we're gonna do today. We're trying to figure out like when we should do the beach, when we should do the pool. And honestly, we might only do the beach one day because it'll probably get super crowded over the weekend. And today's Thursday, so today is the day to do it. But yeah, I'll update in a little bit. Good morning! Moana, like always. We did have breakfast already. Anthony went and got some donuts. Now he's making Bloody Marys because we start off this vacation right. Although I don't like Bloody Marys, so this is just for the guys. Wow, that looks great. We did have our coffee. We were sitting out on the lanai. It's a beautiful morning. Looks good. Are you gonna do a taste test?
I don't have to.
Oh. Let's see.
I got. Bring it over.
Is it good?
Do I look like Joe Dirt?
Yeah, it's good.
To be honest.
No.
Really good. Good work. You want to try, Chris?
No.
I mean, I'll try, but I don't like it.
The ocean. Makes sense. You're what, 8? Can't sail?
I feel like... Oh, how do you
like
drink
Campbell's
this?
tomato soup.
If the ocean's so small, why didn't it just take the hard back to the itself? Or bring
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
You get damn grilled cheese with that.
I feel like...
A grilled cheese would probably be banging with this. Like a spiked grilled cheese.
A spiced grilled cheese.
Is that a thing? We should
No.
make it. We should make like drunken cheese.
water, huh?
He thinks of Moana.
Yeah. So beautiful. What are you doing? Want to go back out to the water? Hi, baby. Are you having fun? Hi. I haven't been vlogging much just because it's been hard to keep up with him, and we've been in the water a lot. He loves the water. Your pants are falling off your butt. We did it. Off the beach on our way home. I think probably the worst of it was towards the end, and then a whole bottle spilling in your bag. I look like a British man right now. I look so bad too. But we did it. Accomplished. And hopefully they're gonna sleep. Caden's there right now. Just blowing in the wind.
You want me to turn that off for you, Pumpkin?
Here. Oh my gosh. Hi. Hello, honey. Where are we? Kick. We're just chilling by the pool. We came here yesterday too, but didn't really vlog much.
That's working really good, you guys.
You gonna sneeze? Oh, I think your allergies are getting to you. What do you think?